Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Peaceful Minds. In today's video we will be discussing about exam anxiety. This video is for all students preparing for their exams, their parents and teachers as well. So what is exam anxiety? Exam anxiety or test anxiety is a psychological condition where a person feels excessive stress, nervousness and fear before or during or after an exam. While some level of stress is normal and enhance performance, extreme anxiety can negatively impact the concentration, memory and overall test performance. Exam anxiety can manifest in physical, emotional and cognitive symptoms, making it difficult for students to perform at their best. What are these symptoms of exam anxiety? Exam anxiety can be categorized into three types. First is physical symptoms, which includes rapid heartbeat, sweating, sharpness of breathing, nausea or stomach pain, dizziness or lightheadedness, headache or muscle tension. Second one is emotional symptom, which shows you as feeling of panic or fear, overwhelming stress, low self-confidence, irritability and hopelessness. Third is cognitive and behavioral symptoms like difficulty concentrating, mind going blank during exam, negative self-talk, poor time management, procrastination and avoidance of studying. What are the top causes of exam anxiety? Exam anxiety can be caused by a combination of psychological, physiological and environmental factors like lack of preparation, insufficient study time or last-minute cramming can increase stress level. Second is fear of failure, high expectations from self. Parents or teachers can create pressure and anxiety. Third is negative past experience. Poor performance in previous exams may cause a fear of repeating failure. Fourth is poor study habits. Disorganized study routines, lack of revision or ineffective learning methods can contribute to stress. Next is peer and parental pressure. Comparison with other and unrealistic expectations from parents or teachers can make students anxious. Sixth is lack of confidence. Self-doubt and negative self-perception can affect one's performance. Seventh is perfectionism. The fear of not achieving perfect score can lead to excessive stress and overthinking. Eighth is health issues. Poor sleep, an unhealthy diet, lack of physical activities can affect mental well-being and increase anxiety. Ninth is performance anxiety. Fear of being judged or criticized by others can be an add-on pressure. So what are the effective remedies for exam anxiety? To manage exam anxiety, one might require combinations of mental, physical and strategic approaches. First is preparation and study strategy. Start to prepare in advance to avoid last-minute cramming. Keep notes and resources well organized. Use mind maps, flashcards and recall for better retention. Practice previous question papers. Create a study timetable to avoid last-minute burnout. Second is positive mindset and confidence building. Focus on improving. Stop comparing with others. Replace negative thoughts like I might fail to I will do my best. Third is relaxation techniques. Practice deep breathing exercise, muscle relaxation methods to overcome stress. Listening to calming music will also be beneficial. Fourth is healthy lifestyle. Proper sleep, balanced diet, regular exercise, being hydrated can be helpful. Next is seeking help. Express your fears and feelings with friends, parents and teachers respectively. Studying with peers can provide motivation. If you are nervous, seek psychologist help. To conclude, dear students, exam anxiety is a common experience but can be managed effectively with proper preparation, relaxation techniques, a healthy lifestyle, a positive mindset. Understand the causes and implement right strategies to overcome anxiety. Perform well at exams. All the best. For more guidance and support, you can book appointments at mentioned details. Until next time, do take care.